In this video, we will discuss two important topics regarding the boranes. Number one is types of bonds. Types of bonds in higher borane. And second topic will be the classification of boranes. First, we will discuss the types of bond in higher boranes. There are five types of bonds exist in higher boranes. There are 5 types of bonds have been found in higher boranes. So before discussing the structure and bonding in higher boranes, we must know the types of bonds present in the higher borane. So मोटी हम कहें तो 5 प्रकार के बंध हायर बोरेन्स में पाए जाते हैं. सबसे पहला सिंपल, जिसको हम बोलते हैं टर्मिनल टू सेंटर टू इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड. टर्मिनल टू सेंटर टू इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड. ये क्या है टू सेंटर टू इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड? It's a very simple covalent bond between boron and hydrogen atom. So this is the example of two center two electron bond. Then another example of two center two electron bond is second type of bond which exists in higher boron is two center two electron bond which is also a simple covalent bond which you will find between boron to boron atoms. This is again two center two electron bond. Third type of bond which is called a bridge bond. This bridge bond is between boron, hydrogen and boron atom, and this is called three center two electron bond. We have discussed this three center two electron bridge bond when we have explained you. We have discussed the structure of B2H6, that is diborate. So it's a banana bond or it's a three center two electron bond. Three center two electron meaning that there are three centers and the number of electrons between these three centers present in the bond are only 2. Fourth type of bond which we will find in higher boranes, जो कि हमको हायर बोरेन्स में मिलेंगे, वो कहलाता है अगेन थ्री सेंटर टू इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड between boron and boron. This fourth type of bond which is called three center two electron bond between boron. This may be of two type. So fourth का पहला प्रकार हो जाएगा. फोर्थ टाइप जो बी बॉन्ड है उसके हम दो प्रकार डिस्कस करते हैं. फोर्थ का पहला प्रकार हो गया क्लोज्ड टाइप boron to boron bond, and in this closed type of bond the bonding will take place in such a way. Suppose this is boron atom, this is plus, this is plus, and this is boron minus. So this is called closed type of boron atom, closed type of boron, boron 3 center 2 electron bond. And the next type of this fourth type of bond, which is B open type of bond. In this open type of bond, the boron atom, the molecular orbital picture will be of this type. These are the 3 boron atoms. This is minus, this is plus, this is plus, this is minus, this is minus, this is plus. So this is called open type of boron to boron to boron 3 center 2 electron. So these are the 5 types of, we can say 4 types or 5 types, 1 2 3 4 के 2 कैटेगरी हो गई, बोरोन टू बोरोन टू बोरोन, closed type and open type of bond. So these are basically types of bond exist in higher boranes. We will discuss these bonds when we will discuss the structure and bonding in particular individual higher boranes. Thank you.